They say the most dangerous secrets are the ones hidden in plain sight, but the ocean doesn't hide its secrets in plain sight. It hides them in the deepest darkness known to Earth. And here's the hidden fact no one likes to talk about. We have explored more of Mars, the Moon, and even asteroids than we've explored our own oceans. Here's a mind-blowing hidden fact. Earth's ocean is 70% of the planet, but humans have explored only 10% of it, meaning 90% is a completely unknown world. Unknown creatures, unknown landscapes, unknown dangers. NASA openly admitted something shocking once. We know more about the surface of Mars than our own ocean floors. Imagine that. A planet we have never walked on is more familiar to us than the water covering our own world. Why? Because the deeper the ocean goes, the more it becomes. A crushing pressure chamber, a freezing black void, a place where light cannot survive, a graveyard of ancient species, a world with physics we barely understand. This is not water. This is another planet on our planet. So the biggest hidden fact is this. The ocean is not just unexplored, it is practically an alien world. And if 90% of that alien world is unknown, what is hiding inside it? Let's dive deeper. In 1997, scientists recorded a mysterious sound deep in the Pacific Ocean. It was named the bloop. Here's the hidden fact. The bloop was so loud, it was heard from over 3,000 miles away. Its frequency pattern matched that of a living creature. But no known creature on Earth is big enough to make that sound. Not even the blue whale, the largest animal ever known. So, what made it? A creature bigger than any whale, or something else we've never seen. NOAA, the organization that detected it, said it might be an ice quake. But here's a twist scientists don't like to admit. Ice quakes don't mimic biological patterns. This one did. A creature, a species, a giant unknown predator. Whatever it was, it came from the deep, the 90% we've never seen. This is the ocean's first warning. Asterisk asterisk something down there is alive, and it's massive asterisk asterisk.
The Mariana Trench is the deepest known spot on Earth. It's so deep, you can fit Mount Everest inside it, and still have space above it. In 2016, a deep-sea drone was recording footage near the trench floor. Suddenly, a gigantic shadow passed by. No shape matched known marine animals. No estimates made sense. The drone's lights could only reach about 20 feet, yet the shadow was far beyond the light range, meaning it wasn't 10 feet, it wasn't 30 feet, it wasn't even 50 feet. It was something hundreds of feet long. The hidden fact, that footage was uploaded for 48 hours, and then quietly deleted from the research site. Why? Misidentification, technical error, or someone didn't want the public to see it. Whatever the reason, one thing is clear, there are things swimming in the deep ocean that we are not ready to meet. Over the last 200 years, 400+ ships, 50 submarines, 7,000 people have vanished into the ocean, with no wreckage ever found. No metal, no oil slick, no signals, nothing. How does an entire submarine disappear? Some disappearances occurred in quiet, calm seas. No storms, no earthquakes, no pirates, just silence. Many of these vanishings happen near deep trenches, underwater ridges, areas with massive unexplored regions. Coincidence? Or are these places home to something that doesn't want visitors? Something big enough to pull down ships? Something intelligent enough to avoid detection? Something living in the unexplored 90%. Now here's a hidden fact most people don't know. Octopuses can solve puzzles. Dolphins communicate with grammar-like patterns. Whales have regional accents. These aren't dumb animals. They're intelligent. So here's the question. What happens when intelligence evolves where humans can't go? Imagine a species that has lived in total darkness under extreme pressure in total silence millions of years longer than humans. They wouldn't need eyes. They wouldn't use light. They might communicate with vibration. They might sense movement from miles away. This would be a civilization we could never see, but they could see us perfectly. And if they exist, asterisk asterisk, maybe they've watched us for centuries while staying completely invisible, asterisk asterisk.
The deep ocean is home to living fossils, species that haven't changed for millions of years. The coelacanth, thought extinct for 65 million years, was found alive in 1938. The frilled shark, nearly unchanged since the time of dinosaurs, can grow up to 6 feet and lives in deep waters. Giant squids can reach 43 feet long and evade human detection for centuries. Now imagine, what if there's a predator far larger, far more advanced than anything documented? A creature designed to survive pressures that would crush submarines. A predator built for darkness, hunting silently and efficiently. A predator humans cannot even imagine. Hidden fact, these creatures don't just exist in isolated myths. Across history, sailors and fishermen have reported massive shadowy figures. Disappearances, tentacles, glowing eyes in the deep, legends, perhaps, or warnings we've ignored. Another hidden fact, the ocean floor isn't just trenches and sand. Strange geometric structures have been discovered, pyramids, blocks, and metallic-like formations in deep-sea footage. Thermal vents show unexpectedly complex formations, almost like architecture. Some sonar readings show cavern systems far larger than any human city. Scientists often dismiss these anomalies as natural rock formations. But the hidden fact is natural formations almost never follow straight lines, perfect angles, or symmetrical patterns. Could these be remnants of a civilization? Or even something that isn't human, an intelligent species thriving under pressures we cannot survive? Some of these structures are located near deep trenches, underwater volcano chains, isolated abyssal plains, places humans rarely visit but deep-sea life flourishes. The ocean is literally hiding whole worlds we cannot comprehend. The ocean is the last refuge of life untouched by humanity. Hidden fact, some species have survived since before dinosaurs roamed the land. Horseshoe crabs, around for 450 million years. Goblin sharks, unchanged for 125 million years. Giant tube worms near hydrothermal vents, thriving without sunlight using chemosynthesis. These creatures prove one thing: life can adapt, evolve, and survive in extreme isolation. Now imagine a species millions of years older than humans, perfectly adapted to the crushing pressure, freezing darkness, and isolation of the deep ocean. Could intelligence evolve there? Could communication evolve? Could a deep-sea civilization exist, completely hidden from the surface world? Hidden fact, our oceans may already be home to life forms more advanced than us, life that doesn't need sunlight, air, or land. And the most chilling possibility, they might know we exist. Submarines, sonar, oceanic noise, they sense all of it. We may be loud intruders in their world, completely unaware of their observation. This is the ultimate hidden fact. Exploring the ocean's 90% is not just science, it's risk. Best case scenario, we discover new species, ecosystems, medicines, and resources. Human understanding of biology and evolution takes a quantum leap. Worst case scenario, we disturb intelligent deep-sea species. Unknown predators react defensively. Entire ecosystems collapse before we even understand them. Think about it. We've never explored these places. We don't know the rules. We cannot predict the consequences. The hidden fact, some secrets might be hidden for our own survival. The deep ocean is silent, but it's not empty. Vibrations travel faster in water than air. Sounds echo for miles. Every submarine, every ship, every sonar pulse is recorded by something. We don't know what records it. We don't know if it has intelligence. We don't know if it communicates. And maybe, just maybe, this observer has been watching humans for centuries, avoiding contact, waiting, judging our behavior, because the deep ocean has a rule we ignore. It keeps its secrets until it decides otherwise. Imagine a species millions of years older than humans. Hidden fact, it may communicate in ways we cannot detect. It may perceive vibrations, pressure changes, chemical signals, and electrical fields. It may even manipulate its environment, creating structures we mistake for natural formations. If such intelligence exists, it is not primitive. It does not need air. It does not need light. It does not need humans. And yet, it has every reason to watch us. Every ship, every probe, Every careless human action in the ocean is detected. We are intruders in a domain that predates us by millions of years. Hidden fact, the deep ocean may already consider us the threat long before we even realized it existed. Let's talk about size. Giant squids exist. Colossal sharks exist. But those are just glimpses of what could be there. The hidden fact, there may be creatures so enormous, so well adapted to the deep that they are effectively undetectable by modern technology. Their bodies are built to withstand pressures that would crush submarines. They can move silently in total darkness. They can monitor miles of territory without leaving a trace. Ancient sailors' tales of krakens, leviathans, and sea serpents. Perhaps they were not exaggerations, just encounters with beings too massive and too intelligent to survive in shallow waters undetected. This is not fantasy. This is a hidden possibility written in history, sonar anomalies, and the unexplored 90%. Now, consider this hidden fact: the ocean floor has caves, caverns, and structures far larger than cities. Hydrothermal vents support ecosystems thriving without sunlight. Some sonar scans have revealed geometric formations that do not occur naturally. What if these are remnants of an ancient civilization? Intelligent life that never needed air or sunlight. Life that evolved in the crushing pressures of the abyss. Life that remained hidden until humans arrived. And if it exists today, it may be watching silently, recording our every move, protecting its territory, and carefully ensuring we remain oblivious.
The ultimate hidden fact: humans may not be ready for the truth. Best case, new medicine, technology, and knowledge. Worst case, conflict with unknown predators, environmental collapse, or the emergence of life forms beyond our comprehension. The ocean is a living, breathing mystery. It is older than humans. It is bigger than humans. And it may be smarter than humans. Any attempt to conquer it, map it fully, or exploit it carelessly could awaken forces that have existed for eons. Forces we cannot predict, cannot control, and may not survive. Here's the ultimate hidden fact: the ocean is not empty. It is not silent. It is not passive. 90% of it is unknown, and in that darkness, there may be life forms, intelligence, and civilizations that outlasted dinosaurs. Southing humans move in ways we cannot detect, in ways we cannot understand. The terrifying, beautiful truth: we live on a planet full of secrets. Most of them are underwater, and most of them are watching us right now. Narrator deep, echoing tone: we think we know Earth, but we don't. We think we control it, but we don't. The ocean is a world we cannot touch, cannot explore fully, and cannot fully understand. And the biggest hidden fact: the ocean has been here far longer than us, and it has seen everything we have done. One day, humans may explore the 90% we have ignored. One day, we may finally meet what hides in the darkness. And when that day comes, the world as we know it may change forever. Fade to black, epic orchestral music swells. Title card: what if 90% of the ocean truly hides something?